Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well and we welcome you to our YouTube channel. And those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe soon. We start our video without wasting our time, so let's start our video. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram name. So first of all, you have to just open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile section. After doing this, you can see edit profile option. You have to just click on it. Now you can change your name, like my name is GB Technology. After doing this, you can see the top corner tick mark option. You have to just click on it. Now you can see your name has been changed. So this is how to change your name. I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching our video. To watch more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel.